Hey everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're well. So do me a favor before we get started, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. So today we're going to talk about the stock market. So specifically talking about the company Abbvie, they bought another company by the name of Immunogen, and Immunogen makes cancer drugs. So Abbvie bought them for They bought the firm for $10.1 billion. It's a rival firm, and they bought that firm. So as a result of that, this stock called Immunogen, it increased 80%. So the people who trade the stocks, they ended up making money as a result of that. So an 80% increase in the stock, Immunogen. So they were waiting to see what would happen as far as this deal goes. So the deal actually went through. So the stock shot up, and then the traders, they took their profit if they were in that particular stock. So Immunogen, they have a cancer drug specifically for ovarian cancer. So the share is around $31.26. Um, it does fluctuate as far as the share price goes, but it did increase by 80% on that one day just recently. So it's pretty flatlined for a long time, and then it just shot up 80% after word was received that the deal actually went through, skyrocketed 80%. So again, Immunogen, they make cancer drugs. They have one cancer drug in specifically for ovarian cancer. The name of it is Elahir. So this is an antibody drug conjugate, and it treats platinum resistant ovarian cancer. So this is the first targeted drug to boost survival rates. The first targeted drug to boost survival rates. So Immunogen, as far as the stock market goes, this stock in particular, when it did the skyrocket of 80%, it was the highest level in 23 years. So that's something that the traders would be interested in if they happen to be in the pharmaceutical section. So Immunogen went up, that stock, Immunogen, it went up. And also Abbvie shares, Abbvie also went up. So this is the latest update as far as in the pharmaceutical area, uh, how that correlates with the stock market. So when deals go through, when mergers happen, some people are on the sidelines looking to see if a merger, like they already know that a merger is in the works, and they're looking to see if this merger is going to go through, if one company is going to buy another company. And then if it does go through, then the result of that is more people get in, more people buy into it, and the stock shoots up, and then they take a profit, and that's what the traders are doing, right? So again, this is the ovarian drug. It's for ovarian cancer treatment. And again, it is the first targeted drug shown to boost survival rates for ovarian cancer in specifically. Also, um, in regards to the stock market, there's something going on with billionaire Mark Cuban. So we all know Mark Cuban from Shark Tank, right? So Mark Cuban, there is there's a media attention on him stating that he is selling some stocks in his portfolio due to concerns of overvaluation in several asset classes. So Mark Cuban is selling some stocks in his portfolio. And so some are wondering, What does he know that the public does not know? All right. So if you know Mark Cuban, tell him to email me so he can come on the show and tell us why he's selling some of his stocks. So some people are wondering, what does he know that the public does not know? Well, he is over there taking profit. All right. So that is the latest update as far as the stock market goes. And in particular, this is in the pharmaceutical area. So, there are different areas in the stock market. You have different sectors in the stock market. And so, pharmaceuticals, that is just one area of the stock market. And they correlate with one another, which I find to be very interesting. So, Abbvie is buying the biotech firm Immunogen for $10.1 billion. Now, Immunogen is a pharmaceutical firm. It is headquartered in Massachusetts. And they do have different drugs underway. But the main one that we're looking at today is the one that treats ovarian cancer treatment. So again, the stock shot up 80%, and the traders that were looking over in the pharmaceutical section would have received profit from that if they were looking in that particular area. Because like I said, there are different areas of the stock market. So people are looking at different things as it pertains to the stock market. So it went up 80%. Abbvie agreed to buy the firm. And we have this new drug called Ella here. It's spelled ELAHERE. An antibody drug conjugate to treat platinum-resistant ovarian cancer. The first targeted drug shown to boost survival rates. And the stock shot up the highest level in 23 years. Like I said, that stock has been pretty flat, and then an 80% shoot up. So when it skyrockets like that, the traders that place the call on that, they receive the profit from that 80% skyrocket that happened. And then again, Abbvie shares went up as well for people who are investors in the pharmaceutical company Abbvie. So that is what is going on in the stock market. So I need you to do me a favor. I need for you to hit this like button. If you are not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the stock market in general? And what do you think it is that Mark Cuban knows that the rest of the world does not know? Put in the comments. And if you know Mark Cuban, send him my email. All right? So he can tell us what he knows that everyone else doesn't know. Do you think that he would tell us? Or do you think he would tell us? If you think he would tell us, put it in the comment, yes. And if you think he would not tell us, put it in the comment, no. All right. So again, I need for you to do me a favor. Before you leave, I need for you to hit this like button. And if you are not a subscriber, I need you to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, if you know anyone who is interested in building wealth, let them know about the channel. All right, thank you for watching, and hit the like button on your way out. Have a good night.